Blaws the clouds, he'll stir gaudy o'er the bay. But there's mair nor a rock wind blowing through the grey glens of the world today. It's a thought that would gather rottens all the rogues that gan gallows fresh and gay. Tak the roads and seek other loanings for their ill ploys to sport and play. Nae mair will yon bonny callants march to war while yon braggarts cruisely craw, nor we win frae fatigue and clacking mourn the ships sailing down the broomy law. Broken families and lands we've herried will curse Scotland the brave nae mair, nae mair. Black and white till another merit mark the wild barracks of the master's bear. So come all ye attain with freedom, never heed what down Hoodie's croak for doom. And ye who saw the bairns o' Adam can find breed, barley brew and painted broom. When MacLean meets his friends in Springburn, all the roses and greens will turn to bloom. And yon black boy beyond Niagara ding the fell gallows of the burghers doon.